Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Trix, and on this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. We hang out together every Monday, Friday, and Saturday and unbox subscription boxes, share our love for all things Disney, review products, and share our shopping hauls. If any or all of that sounds like something you would like to see more of, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a new video. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Wordy Traveler subscription box. Now, this is a subscription box that I have unboxed once before on this channel. I am going to be leaving that video in the description box down below so you can check it out after you check out today's video. I will also have in the description box down below a link to the Wordy Traveler site so that you can find out more detailed information than I'm about to give you about this subscription box and see if this is good for a gift or a gift to yourself. So a little bit about the Wordy Traveler. I have it written down on my phone so I don't forget. The Wordy Traveler is a travel/book themed subscription box that is a quarterly subscription box, and there are multiple choices. Plans do start out at $49.99 per quarter, plus I think there is some shipping involved as well. That is for what we are going to be unboxing today, the Backpacker Edition. Now, you can choose to have the Backpacker Edition in nonfiction or fiction, and there is a second level called the Full Suitcase that you can also choose to have fiction or nonfiction books. The Full Suitcase, by the way, is a bump up in price. It starts at $109.99. However, you do receive 3 books as opposed to the one that is going to be in this box, and you do always have the option to add on either a fiction or a nonfiction book to your box. This quarter's journey is to Japan. A little spoiler for next quarter. Next quarter's journey is going to fly us to Egypt. So let's open up this box and see where our journey to Japan will take us. So whenever you do open the box, last box was very flat. This one, of course, is more square. So you are met with the black and white striped paper and a Wordy Traveler sticker. Their logo, which I think is really cute. It has an elephant. I absolutely love elephants. Let me know in the comments down below. I just want to know, and I feel like as adults, we don't ask this all that often, but we should. What is your favorite animal and why? Let me know in the comments down below. So with this box, or rather I was saying, I think before I got sidetracked, in my last box I unboxed a nonfiction book box, and in this box I have requested a fiction book box. In each box you get a little envelope with information about the contents of the box, as well as a reminder that the proceeds of your subscription does go to a worthy cause. So a portion of the proceeds from this box has been donated to Vitamin Angels to provide life-saving nutrition to pregnant women and children. Thank you for helping make the better world a better place, one book at a time. If you've been around here a while, you will know that I absolutely love a subscription box / a business that does give back. Okay, so included in this, which was not included last time, really cool. So they have a little playlist of the sounds, movies, and treats to help us transport you to Japan. The Wordy Traveler has a Spotify playlist that has traditional and modern Japanese music. They have requested some movies as well as some treats and like how to make the treats. So this is really cute. It makes it really immersive. Each quarter, the Wordy Traveler sends a charm based off of your box's destination, and I absolutely love this charm. I'm going to find a necklace to pop this on. First item is not an item that I've ever seen before. It intrigues me. It's sort of like at first glance, I thought that this was a fidget spinner. You know, those things that were like all the rage a while ago? No, maybe you don't. I do, because I constantly had to take them away in my classroom. But this is not it. This is a thumb thing. It's a reading ring and bookmark, and it allows you to read comfortably with one hand. Now we do have another bookmark that was included in this box, and this has some traditional Japanese art on it. Quite beautiful. Now all that this says, by the way, on the card is that it's just bookmark. If you know where this comes from, if it comes from a particular painting, let me know in the comments down below. So before I decided to take the leap into the Wordy Traveler, I had been watching a few unboxings. So from what I can gather, each quarter you do get a print of some sort. This is the print for this quarter. I love the coloring on this. So this is a print of an ink painting by Japanese artist Kimasa. So we got some little goodies that are not on the list. So I think they were just thrown in this bag, but I'm really happy that they were thrown in because they're one of my favorite fruit candies. Hi, Chew. So we have a handful of these Hi Chew chewy candies. They are fruity candies, by the way, if you've never had one of these. Absolutely one of my favorites. So I have pina colada, a tropical smoothie, kiwi, and strawberry. The Wordy Traveler does like to include some sort of beverage. It is usually a loose tea, which I am perfectly happy with. And this is the blend from Ohio Tea Co. that we got this quarter. It is the Cincha Fancy green tea with a grassy and slightly nutty flavor. Next up, we have an item that is so beautifully wrapped and so delicately wrapped. It is a Japanese ceremonial fan. I don't want to break it. Yes, I was that child on Christmas morning, and I'm that child as an adult on Christmas morning that like slowly takes care in unwrapping their presents. There we go. All right, so let's see together. Oh, how cute is this? That is beautiful. Let's give it a, oh, it does. It definitely feels sturdy enough that like I could use this. It has a fabric on it. It's not paper, so it does not feel like it would break. So it feels pretty sturdy, but I think though, like it's beautiful. I think that I'm going to keep this, or no, I might put this, I think I'm going to put this up, hang it in my bedroom. Our second to last item came in a box, nicely wrapped as well, and it feels like it is breakable. It is a Japanese teacup. I love that it is full size. So I have a ceremonial tea set that I purchased from Japan. Actually, it was from the Japan Pavilion in Epcot, but it came from Japan, so we're gonna count that. But it's mini, it's small, it's like mini teacups. This is a beautiful full-size cup. All right, good. We focus so that you can see the print. I will definitely have my afternoon tea in this every day. It is gorgeous in the inside. Now to the actual book, and this is one of the fiction books that they are offering. It is Pachinko from Min Jin Lee. Beautiful cover art. And let me read you the back of the book to give you a little idea of what this book will be about. History is seldom kind. In Min Jin Lee's best-selling magisterial epic, 4 generations of a poor, proud immigrant family fight to control their destinies, exiled from a homeland they never knew. In the early 1900s, teenage Sunja, the adorned daughter of a crippled fisherman, falls for a wealthy stranger at the seashore near her home in Korea. He promises her the world, but when she discovers she is pregnant and that her lover is married, she refuses to be bought. Instead, she accepts an offer of marriage from a gentle, sickly minister passing through on his way to Japan. But her decision to abandon her home and to reject her son's powerful father sets off a dramatic saga that will echo down through the generations. Richly told and profoundly moving, Pachinko is a story of love, sacrifice, ambition, and loyalty. From the bustling street markets to the halls of Japan's finest universities to the pachinko parlors of the criminal underworld, Lee's complex and compassionate characters, strong, stubborn women, devoted sisters and sons, fathers shaken by moral crisis, survive and thrive against the indifferent arc of history. So this is definitely going in my, thanks to subscription boxes I've been getting lately, ever-growing stack of to-be-read books. That is it for this quarter's backpack fiction edition of the Wordy Traveler subscription box. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite item from the box was. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!